Hello, James here. I want to talk a little more about by Second Chance Rescue. It's a my sister has fostered many dogs from there. Here's Sky. Just thought I'd try showing her again. Someone had adopted her, but then they decided they weren't ready for a dog. So she's back with my sister. As for my yeah. Yeah. Like, yeah. Now this dog is very full of energy. Definitely likes to cuddle and stuff. But, yeah. But, yeah. Of course, as anyone who's ever had a dog knows, all dogs are full of energy. And if they're not, then they've either recently undergone surgery or they're really old. Yeah. So, I don't know. Hopefully, the message has gotten out that hope for people to apply to by Second Chance Rescue. Who I am trying to get the word out more. Heard and yeah, not really sure why these people decided they didn't want to keep Sky when they adopted her, but hopefully someone else will and know how lucky they were to have such a dog. Well, that's all for this video. Bye.